Hello friends, my name is Anjana Sagar. I am here again with a new and very exciting career opportunity, which is drone pilots. Drone pilots are in great demand. As per Association of Unmanned Vehicle System International, by 2025 there will be more than 1 lakh jobs in drone pilot industry, and the spanning of the drones is coming from consumer, commercial and civil industries, construction companies, architects, medias, and security firms. They are looking for aerial video to do their business. With the drone becoming a relevant industry, many people are keen to make money out of it. So we should not wait for any further, and we should also proceed with this. So what does a drone pilot do? They fly the drones for the companies, because the companies, they need the aerial view to perform their marketing thing, and other may need it for surveillance. So drone pilots are for this job only, and they are hired on freelance basis mostly. And what is the qualification or the requirement to be a drone pilot? As per DGCA, the only requirement is that you should be 18 years. This is the only requirement as far as qualification is concerned, and you should hold a valid government ID. But if you are really interested, then you should learn the basics of the industry first. You need a drone pilot license or a UAOP, unmanned aerial operator permit, a drone, and a professional drone insurance. So let's first talk about how to get the drone pilot license. For this, you need to complete a DGCA approved pilot course. There are colleges in India. One is in Mumbai, one is in Noida, and many other are there which offer the courses on drone pilot. And you can check these website of these colleges for more details. You will get to know more about the fees and what is the duration of the courses. Then they offer some other courses also, small courses, the area in which you want to do specialization. After being a drone pilot, what would you like to be, in which industry you would like to be, they offer the courses about that industry also. Then these drone pilots, they are in demand in media, construction, real estate, agriculture, transportation, telecommunication, etc. So small courses are offered by flying colleges in each of these areas, and it is better to get extra information before you start the job as a drone pilot. So after you get the drone pilot license or the permit, what is the next step? Next step is to buy a drone. Now drones are classified into 5 major categories. First is the nano drones, which are up to 250 grams. Then second comes the micro drones, which are 250 gram to 2 kgs. Then are the small drones, which are from 2 kgs to 25 kilogram. Then medium from 25 kilogram to 150 kilogram, and then large is anything which is heavier than 150 kilogram. So the drones in the nano category, they need not be registered, but other drones needs to be registered on Digital Sky platform. There is a lengthy list of compliance on this platform, so you have to comply with all the things which are there in the list. So it is not like this that you buy the drone and start flying the drone. There are some policies which are to be followed. Now the drones need unique identity number, which is just like the number plate of any of the vehicle, and this is engraved on the body of the drone. And before you buy a drone, do a good research for which purpose you are buying the drone, and it should fulfill all the requirements for which you want the drone. Then next comes the insurance for the drone, the professional insurance. Most of the policies, they do not cover the drone, so you need to check out the policy which covers the equipment, the camera, and yourself also in that policy, in case the drone crashes into something or somebody. It may happen. Fine. So these are the 3 things. First, you need the pilot license. Then you need a drone. You will have to register the drone and get a unique identification number for that drone, and then the insurance for the drone. So after all these things, what are the job scopes? What you can do? Yes, of course, you can shoot the wedding and the birthday parties and the other family functions. Other than that, pilots are needed for the inspection of railway tracks by the builders, to detect the illegal mining, tracking the poachers, monitoring the traffic, and assessing any disaster situations. So these are the other areas where you can work. And work environment, since it is mostly a freelance job, as I told you, so you may have to travel to the project site as and when required. It is outdoor, long hours, and you have to work closely with the people for this thing. Nature of the job is result oriented, high decision, high problem solving, and government regulations are to be followed. There are certain guidelines by the government which you will have to follow when you are flying a drone. The ability. You should be very good at speaking, reading, and writing Hindi and English. In India, Hindi and English are mandatory. And your physical and mental condition should be fit to fly a drone. And you should be able to assess the weather condition, wind speed, etc., so that you can comfortably fly the drone. And see, this is a very upcoming field, and even government had started looking into it. They also need the drone pilots for many things, and it is a very lucrative, high paying, and futuristic kind of a career option which you can look into, and it is very exciting and adventurous also. So what are you waiting for? If you are inclined towards flying, then you can opt for this career option. The qualification needed are not very high, so it's very easy. You can go for it. So this is all from my side for about the drone pilots. Hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please click the like button as well as the subscribe button, and stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.